Struggling to hit 4,000 watch hours on YouTube? Most creators fail here. But today, I'll show you exactly what to do and how to reach it, even if you're starting from zero. To get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in last 12 months. But the truth is, watch time is the hardest part. In this video, I'll show you the simple strategy that will work in 2026. Watch time is equals to minutes people spend watching your videos. For example, if 100 viewers or 100 people watching your 10 minutes video fully, that's 1,000 minutes of watch time. So your goal is simple: get people to click, get them to stay online and watch your video. Short videos, remember, short videos don't build watch hours fast. Remember, I'll repeat it again, short videos don't build watch hours fast. Instead, focus on 8 to 12 minutes long videos or 15 minutes plus deep content. Remember, the longer the people watch your videos, the faster the watch hours grows. Tip: don't just make long videos, make them interesting. Alright, make them interesting for the viewers to watch it completely. Your first 5 seconds of the video must stand out, like it matters the most. First 5 seconds of the video, it matters the most. If people leave early, watch time or watch hours dies. Remember, the first 5 seconds of the video is very important. So in that case, your hook is very important, right? For example, don't start a YouTube before watching this video. You see, don't start creating a YouTube before watching this video. That's another hook. This mistake is killing your growth. All right, this mistake is killing your growth. That's another hook. Remember that on my other previous videos I said consistent is the key. YouTube promotes the channels that stay consistent on creating more content. Remember that YouTube promotes the content or the creator that stands or that stays consistent on uploading videos. Don't post random content. When I'm saying this, don't just go and then post random content. No, make sure to plan, strategize what are videos to post, what are ideas to post, or what are your what are content that you can post for people to watch and interest or get interested. Remember, your watch hours is very important. 1,000 subscribers is very important. So when it comes to another step here, your niche is very important. All right, make sure to choose a better niche or choose a best niche for people to watch your videos. All right, so for example, NRL tips, tech news, tech videos or news videos, tutorials. This builds a loyal audience that watches longer. Remember, playlist is a secret weapon. When your video ends, the next one plays automatically. Alright, that's your hand video I'm talking about. That means more watch time without extra efforts. Tip number 2, create series like how to grow on YouTube growth tips, or how to make money online, but make sure it must be fact. You don't need to upload every day, but you must be consistent. 3 to 4 videos weekly, which is equals to fast growth. 1 to 2 videos weekly, which is equals to steady growth. Don't just post what people are searching for. Use trending topics that are trending on the internet, breaking news, popular questions. For example, how to create a YouTube channel. That's another question. How will I create my YouTube channel? Make sure those kind of content that you have to upload, so that people or audience, when they visit a YouTube, they will automatically see your video on the trending list. That brings more viewers, which is equals to more watch time hours. Always lead another viewers, or always lead a viewers to another video. Say things like this: watch this next video to learn more. Watch this next video to learn more, and link it on your screen. Real strategy breakdown. Let's break it down. If you post 3 videos per week, each gets 1000 viewers. Average watch time is equals to 5 minutes. That's 15,000 minutes per week. By doing that, you can reach, or you can eat 4,000 watch hours in a month, not in years. Getting 4,000 watch hours is not luck, it's a strategy. Remember that. So what you need to do, you have to follow these steps and stay consistent, and you will get monetized faster on YouTube. You will get monetized faster than other creators. If this helped you, if this content helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you, and here is another video here. If you're interested, don't forget to watch.